Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to prevent WhatsApp Web from accessing USB devices on your computer after the latest update. This quick privacy tweak helps protect your system from any unwanted connections, especially if you use shared or public PCs. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser. You can do this by typing web.whatsapp.com in your address bar and signing in using the QR code on your phone if you're not logged in already. Once the page is open, look at the top of your browser window, right next to the web address. There, you'll see a small icon, usually a lock symbol. Click on it to view site information. This menu lets you control what kind of access the website has to your system. Now choose Settings. From here, you'll see a list of different site permissions that you can adjust based on your privacy needs. Under Permissions, click on More Settings, Permissions. This will take you to a broader settings page where all the specific options for WhatsApp Web are displayed. These permissions can include microphone, camera, notifications, and more. Next, scroll until you find the section labeled USB devices. By default, some browsers may allow website access when a USB device is connected, which can pose a potential risk. To fix that, simply select Block next to USB devices. Once you do this, WhatsApp Web or any web app opened from that domain will no longer be able to communicate with external USB hardware connected to your computer. After you've made that change, close the Settings tab and refresh WhatsApp Web. That's it. Your connection is now more secure. By taking a few seconds to adjust this simple permission, you protect not only your personal chats, but also your data from unnecessary USB access. Thanks for watching.